I've recently been introduced to this green cola drink. It's naturally sweetened, has no added sugar, and they have different flavors. I've linked all of them in my Amazon store below so you guys can purchase them at home. I've made some cocktails for you guys to try at home with this green cola drink, the sour cherry. So today we're gonna make a sparkling sour cherry tequila sunrise. So we're gonna start with tequila. And so a tequila sunrise, you layer the drink anyway. And plus, we're using the sparkling soda, so we're not gonna shake this. So we're gonna use 1.5 ounces of tequila. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of grenadine, which I have cherry juice right here. Pretty color, and we're gonna top that with our green cola. We're gonna garnish it with an orange and a cherry, of course. And this cocktail is ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. Don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store where you can purchase this for yourself. Cheers.